The following video covers resetting the cylinder hour counter in the GeneralAire Steam Humidifier 5500. Each time you replace a cylinder, you will need to reset the cylinder hour counter. Start by turning the unit off. While pressing the reset and drain buttons simultaneously, turn the unit back on. Continue to hold these two buttons until you see the wrench begin to blink. At that point, release the buttons. Press and hold the reset button until O3 appears. And finally, press and hold the drain for 1 second to confirm. That's it, you're all done. Check back often for these and other tech tips from GeneralAire.